Behold, these are the elevators here at One Plaza East apartment. One Plaza East, I think, office building or apartment complex, baby. Here in Salisbury, Maryland. It used to be an old Otis for decades, and they were modernized by Delaware with Dewhurst. That's why they had these new buttons, yeah. Of course, this one is broken. So let's try this one. And it's, yep, see, originally Otis, run up by Delaware. Like that. Go to 7. There goes gun works. And it's a little small. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here we are at 7. Looks like it's getting a renovation. Let's go in the basement. Let's go get a cab. This cab was awfully small, you know? That's why it was once in a fish. Certificates over there, emergency phone bond, and capacity is 2,000 pounds. 3, 4, 3, 2, lobby, and you're in a basement. Bye. Let's head back to the lobby. And here we are in the lobby. It looks like looks like the disconnected for me. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.